Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam
wabarakatuh.
warahmatullahi
Good
wabarakatuh. Good
morning,
morning,
Miss.
Miss.
How are you today in this fine morning?
I'm
Pretty good, pretty
great.
good.
Thank you.
I'm good.
Well, man, I'm glad that you are. Today, mm, I want to take my hand, and learn this kind of introducing myself. Yeah. Do you guys ever had a time or a situation where you have to introduce yourself to a new person, either want to impress them or want to show that this is who I am, like that? Have you ever been there in that situation?
Yes, Miss.
Of course. Anyone else? Have you guys been in that situation that you need to introduce yourself to impress others? Well, of course, I believe that
Yes, I have
first
Miss.
impression is really important for people, right? So if you, especially when you at work or when you at the formal situation, it's really important to know how to introduce yourself to others so others know who they are talking to. Okay, for the next slide, I want to explain why introducing yourself is really important as a human being and in society. Introducing your introducing yourself is made for breaking the ice, building trust, and establishing a connection when you meet a new people. Like I said before, when you introduce yourself, you're giving a little peek of yourself to that person, in which in which they will see you as someone that you has just present to them. It provides a quick overview, like I said, of who you are, your background, and your interests, helping to start conversation and create a positive first impression. Like I said, if you're in society and in important situation and scenario, it's important to make a good impression for other people, like so, helping to start conversation and positive first impression, depending on where you are. Introductions serve a different purpose. In a professional setting, like a job interview or networking event, it highlights your skill, experience, and what you bring to the table. It helps employers or the college understand your professional value. In a social setting, like joining a new class or meeting friends, it helps find a common ground, making it easier for others to relate to you and strike up a conversation. On the social part is usually it happened to us, ya, walaupun tidak formal, but it's always happened to us, like when we are meeting a new friend in a new class or meeting a new person in the ground, even when you just go to a random place and someone just asks what's your name, or who you are. We tend to see that as an opportunity to introduce ourselves to that person, so that person know who we are and what they're going to see from us, like that. Next. Okay, when introducing yourself in English, use clear present tense sentence centered on the verb, quote unquote, to be or simple action verb. A complete natural introduction follow a logical flow: greetings, name, origin, occupation, and personal interests. Uh, For the first for the first one is a solid grammatical structure. For you, introduction look like this. First is greeting. You can say hi there or hello. It's a pleasure to meet you. You can also continue that with your name, or I am your name, and go on. Please remember to avoid saying myself is or as or myself. It's a reflexive pronoun. It's not used for introducing yourself. The origin is like where you're from. Of course, sometimes when you meet a new people, they tend to ask you where are you from. Of course, it's not. It's a really a basic way to ask new person uh from, and maybe you can relate to them if you guys came from the same town. That's what the origin is for. Like I am from, maybe for example is I am from Mexico maybe, or I was born in England, like that. Occupation is basically the thing that you do for a living, or something that occupied you for your life. Like I work as maybe you work as a doctor, or I am studying to become a nurse, or to become a biologist, like that. That's an occupation. Is really important to tell you what you're doing in your life when you met new people. Like I said in the introduction, we try to impress others about ourselves. And the last but not least, interest. In my free time, I like to, maybe for example, I like to sing. That's an interest, right? Or I am really interested in, maybe name some media that you really like, maybe a K-pop, like that, or I am really interested in K-pop, like that. So maybe if you meet someone and you saw an opportunity to say that about your interests and they find it interesting, you can be friends like that. You can get along, you can have a connection with that. So so far, do you understand what introduction is mean to society and for other people? Do you understand so far that I explained it to you?
Yes, Miss. I
Okay.
understand.
Okay, can one of you explain with your own way of how introducing yourself is really important in society?
Miss, aku bisa ya pakai bahasa Indonesia, boleh nggak, Miss?
Yes, definitely you can.
Kenapa berkenalan itu penting ya, Miss?
Yes,
Supaya saya bisa mendekati gebetan saya, Miss.
of course. That's one. That's what you get from it. Yeah, of course. If you find someone interested, or maybe you want to know them better, yeah, you better try to impress them, because yeah, first impression is very important when it comes to society, and us being a humans, like we're like what make us different from animals, because we have the opportunity and the privilege to show the best of us to other people. Is there anyone else that can explain so far? If it's not, then let's go to the next slide. I have this. I have this. I have this one text that where this person is introducing herself. I will read it and one of you will repeat it. Okay, let me start first. Hello, everyone. My name is Rina. Hello, my name is Rina Putri. I am 16 years old. I live in Bogor with my parents and my younger brother. I am a student at Pakuan Senior High School. My favorite subjects are English and biology because I enjoy learning new things. In my free time, I like reading novels, listening to music, and riding my bicycle. My dream is to become a doctor and help many people. I am a friendly and hardworking person. I like making new friends and working in a team. I believe that learning English will help me communicate with people from different countries. Thank you for reading about me. Now, from this text, I want one of you to read this out loud. Can I have a volunteer?
Saya lagi boleh nggak, Miss?
Yes, Vishnu, let's read it for you.
Hello everyone. Hello, my name is Rina Putri. I am 16 years old. I live in Bogor with my parents and my younger brother. I am a student at Pakuan Senior High School. My favorite subjects are English and biology because I enjoy learning new things. In my free time, I like reading novel, listening to music, and riding my bicycle. My dream is to become a doctor and help many people. I am a friendly and hardworking person. I like making new friends and working in a team. I believe that learning English will help me communicate with people from different countries. Thank you for reading about me. Sudah, Miss?
Thank you so much, Vishnu. And from this text, from this text that we just read, we can conclude that this person name is Rina Putri, and she is 16 years old and live in Bogor with her parents and younger brother. So you can say that this is our first impression of Rina Putri. She also explained that she is a friendly and hardworking person. That's what make other people that the listen or heard that sings her saying that can can conclude that she is a friendly and hardworking person. This what we just read is how we introduce ourselves to make a good impression to other people. And after we read that, there's will also a, a part where we try to deciphering the introduction text. Please, the next slide. So I want you guys to repeat after me. Favorite.
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 Favorite. Younger.
Younger.
Hardworking.
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 Dream.
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 Friendly.
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 Communicate.
Communicate.
Different.
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 Team.
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 Okay, after we learn the vocabulary that we're going to learn today, I want you guys to answer or explain what is the meaning of the English one to Indonesia. Can I have a volunteer? The previous text, please. Yes. What is favorite in Indonesia?
Favorite, Miss?
Yes. How about younger?
Younger is lebih muda, Miss.
Okay. How about hardworking?
Rajin.
Rajin bekerja.
Yes. Dream.
Cita-cita atau mimpi, Miss.
Right. Friendly.
Ramah.
Okay. Communicate.
Komunikasi, Miss.
Yes. Different.
Berbeda-beda, Miss.
Berbeda.
Okay. Team.
Sebuah tim.
Tim.
Kelompok.
Okay, thank you so much for the answer. And we can go to the next question where I want you guys to understand uh, how to manage to identify some of the point from introduction text. Find this important information. From we just learned from the previous text, what is the name of the person that just introduced herself? Can anyone answer me?
Rina Putri, Miss.
Yes. How about her age?
7 years old, Miss?
Yes.
7 years old. 17.
I think
No.
it's 16, Miss.
16, honey.
Yes, 16.
Okay. How about her hometown? Where does she live? Where is her hometown? Where do you think she
She
lives?
lives in Bogor.
Yes. How about her hobby? What's her hobby? She said that. Does anyone know her hobby?
Reading novel, Miss?
Yes. How about her dreams? What her dreams?
She want to be a doctor, Miss.
Yes, correct. Now, after you guys know that information, this is the basic information on introduction text. I want to ask you again, but this is in truth and false form, where you able to identify which one is the truth and which one is the false. Jadi di sini saya ingin kalian mencari tahu yang mana yang benar dan mana yang salah di sini ya. Jadi makanya ini formatnya ini truth or false. First one is Rina is 17 years old. Is this true or not? Or false?
No.
No, it's false.
Okay, for
No.
is false, right? All right. Number two, she lives with her family. Is this truth or false?
Yes. True.
True.
It's the truth. Okay, the third number is her favorite subject is mathematics. Is it true or false?
I think
False.
it's false.
Yes, it's false. She doesn't enjoy math. We. Number four is she enjoys reading novel. Is it true or false?
Yes.
True, Miss.
True.
Okay, and the last one is she wants to become a doctor. Is it true or false?
True. Absolutely
True.
True. True, Miss.
Correct. Everyone got a medals. Your guess is all right. Okay, after we answer all of that, I want you guys to introduce yourself. There's have to be a name, age, hometown, hobby, and your dream. Can one of you introduce yourself in that format? Anything is fine.
Aku mau, Miss. Aku mau.
Yes, Vishnu. Introduce yourself, please.
Hello everyone. My name is Wisnu and I am 14 years old. I come from a small and peaceful town in Indonesia. I am currently a junior high school. I live with my family, including my parents and my siblings, and they always support me in everything I do. In my free time, my favorite hobby is fishing because it helps me relax, enjoy nature, and together with my father. Besides fishing, I also like spending time with my friends and learning new things that can improve my skill. I believe that every day is a chance to become a better person, and so I'll always try to study hard and stay positive. Stay positive. It is very nice to meet you all, and thank you for listening. Thank you.
Yes, that is a very, very good introduction. It's giving a good impression to other people who hear it. That's great. Thank you so much, Vishnu. Uh, maybe someone else want to introduce themselves?
Saya Miss. No, Miss. I want to try.
Yes, please. Go on.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Hello, everyone. My name is Nisa Sahnia. People usually call me Nisa. I am 19 years old. I study at Senior High School Pelita Bangsa, and I am from Yogyakarta. I live in Jakarta. There are four people in my family. They are my father, my mother, my younger brother, and me. And then we are very close, and I love spending time with them. And for my hobbies are reading books, listening to music, watching movies, and playing badminton. And I also like learning English because it is fun and useful for my future. And in the future, I want to be a teacher. That's all about me. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Nisa. That is a wonderful introduction. It's also give a good impression to other people. That's nice. I really like it. Thank you so much. And after you guys able to introduce yourself, I want to do some recap. Next slide, please. Okay, so this is our recap corner. This is where you have to remember what have we just read. For the first one, what is Rina's full name?
I want to
Can anyone
answer.
answer? Yes, Rafi, please answer.
Rina's full name is Rina Putri.
Yes, that's correct. Number two, where does she lives?
I know the answer, Miss.
Yes, Naura, please answer it.
Bandung.
Where?
Bandung.
You see.
Bandung,
She
Miss.
not correct, honey. Where does she live?
I wanna try, Miss. May I?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. She lives in Bogor.
Yes, correct. Number three, what is her dreams?
To become an engineer, Miss.
I'm sorry.
To become engineer, Miss.
I don't think that is the correct one.
Oh, salah ya? Oh, maaf, Miss. Maaf,
The
Miss.
correct one is her dream is become to doctor. Is this correct, Miss?
Yes, Rafi, you're right. And the last one, what does she believes in? If you pay attention to the text, there's some word that where she believes in something. What is she believing? Apa yang dia percaya begitu. Di introduction-nya dia bilang saya percaya titik. What does she believe? What does she has in her heart that she's so bold to say that she believes in that? Anyone can answer? All right. Let's just say this is just a freebies, right? Sometimes when you introduce yourself, you kind of spread what you believe in yourself. Like, what do you see? What perspective are you on? Sometimes you just blur it out, just so can other party know that you believe in this situation, you believe in this, just like that. It's just not really important, but it's really effective to show that this is who I am. So what does she believe? Rina believes that learning English will help her communicate with people from different countries. She believes in that. She believes that English will help her communicating with other people on country. That's what she believes, and that's can we can conclude that she is actually very fond of English and really want to learn it. Okay, so far I think you guys already understood what this introduction section, you're able to remember what the text is from, you're able to identify the text or of the name, the age, the stuff that you need to know from a people. You're able to introduce yourself. I think that's great start to learn to uh this learning material. Is there any question that you have? Maybe you still confused.
No, Miss. It's all clear.
I think
I think it's
I
enough.
think this okay. I think it's enough, right? Thank you so much for everyone who come to my learning session. I really hope that my uh me talking here will help you in the future for a better. And I hope to see you guys in the next lesson. If it's good. Goodbye, everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you for today,
Thank
Miss.
you, Miss.
See you
Have a
on
good
the
day.
next
Thank you,
class.
Miss.
Good day to
Have
you
a nice day,
guys.
Miss.